All right, so today we're looking at this wireless Carplay adapter. We're just going to do a quick unboxing today. This is a device that was sent to me by the manufacturer so I can make this review for you. And the main thing I want you to see is simply the size. This is a lot smaller than the Carplay adapters they've used in the past, and it's got some nice grippy grip on here so you can turn it like a knob. Now it plugs in on the back with the USB, but it does come with some adapters. If you want to use a USB-C or extend your USB, you can do that. Now this is only for iPhone 5 or later, and it's only for cars 2015 or later, although it is compatible with over 900 different makes of car. But this is for iPhone only. This is not an Android device. It's only going to work with CarPlay. So why do you get a wireless CarPlay adapter? It's so that you can use all the apps on your phone on your built-in monitor in your car. And so this is compatible with over 150 apps. So it's great for controlling your music, doing your texts, just basic phone function. But there are so many different apps that are compatible with this, and it makes it so you're a safer driver and it's more convenient for you. And it's just a beautiful, sleek design on this. It's really small, easy to use, so cool one to check out.